So, kids are the honest mirrors, and that brings us for the today's discussion. To guide us on this sensitive topic, we have dietitian mother Dr. Zankana Shetty and Ditya, and architect mother Rashmi Pachagade and Kiara with us. Let's start with the Kiara. Bacha, what is your favorite food at home?
My favorite food is pancakes. My mama makes it with oats.
Oh wow, nice.
Nice.
Okay. The next question would be for Ditya. Who decides what comes to the home?
Me and mama.
Oh. Yeah, Ditya, who decides what should come in the fridge?
Me and mama decides.
Okay. And when you are hungry, what you pick first? Chips or fruits or other things?
Chips are not at my home, so I prefer fruits.
Okay. Nice. Yes, Kiara, now you tell me who reminds you to wash your hands at home?
Sometimes mama reminds me to wash my hands at home.
Okay.
And sometimes I do it by myself.
Oh, very good. Yeah. Ma'am, now it's your turn. Please tell me one habit that your children takes from you.
Good, bad.
Whatever you want. Whatever you want to share.
Actually, yes, I mean, at our home, yes, we do obviously eat junk food, but eating salads and fruits because they're always on dining table. So that is one habit which everyone follows of each other.
Okay, very good. Rashmi ma'am, can you please tell me that one habit you realize that needs to be changed?
See, I guess, yes, what comes in front of your eyes, that is consumed.
Yes.
So generally, I have the habit of having one chocolate at least in the fridge. I mean, I get insecure if I don't have it.
Yes.
So I always have that chocolate and something. I mean, it's just the maybe backup kind of option because I'm working and I'm on site. So I generally have something easy at home.
Yeah.
Chips packet, for example. But yes, I mean, even if it is a shorter way, I think that do need correction because जैसे मैम ने बोला, I think the position can go little behind, or maybe chips can change to maybe something more healthier options.
Yeah, understand. But sometimes we all are working mothers, so we always look for some easy options. रात को घर जा रहे हैं, we don't have time to make a dinner, so we take some ready-made आटा or something and make a food.
I know, and because बहुत बार वही होता है कि something has to be at home when we are not there.
Bacha, now you tell me, what does mummy, papa eat when they are hungry or stressed or tired?
They eat something soft like that directly, like it's like soup or something.
Oh.
So it feels like
Wow.
So, as a dietitian perspective, for the first answer, she told when somebody is stressed, mommy papa is stressed or tired, what will make usually. So, when we are stressed or tired, we usually buy ready-made food item and we make the food item. Okay,
Maggie, 2 minutes Maggie.
2 minutes Maggie. And when you are stressed, no, many times it's a stress eating. So you eat lot of the junk foods, the ice creams. You feel good. Okay, so Kiara, I was very happy that when you are stressed, your mother, father eat soups with lovely expressions. Yeah, definitely. If you have a vegetable soups, and for Ditya also, if somebody is sick, vegetable khichdi and the soup is the best option. It gives the calorie at the same time nutrition to recover from the stress and we increase the immunity. And if you are stressed out, tired, you just have one bowl of khichdi. And now अपना जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी है उन्होंने भी बोला था कि इंडिया का द सुपर फूड इज दाल खिचड़ी. Okay, so whenever, and it's a complete the meal. You get in a good carbohydrates, complex carbohydrate, good protein, and good vegetables. So it's a complete meal. So when you are tired, if you are,
That's the best comfort food, I would say.
Comfort food.
With a ghee on it.
1 teaspoon of pure ghee and मस्त एकदम.
नींबू थोड़ा सा.
Yes. So usually we have seen that कि हम लोग मैरिज में जाके आए, बहुत बाहर का खाना खाया, आउटिंग किया, घर पे आके क्या बनाएंगे आज दाल खिचड़ी, को सादा चाहिए हम लोग को. Nobody eats like heavy meal after marriage. No, मैरिज में खा गया हेवी मील, रात को कोई हेवी मील नहीं खाएगा. सबको क्या चाहिए? लाइट फूड and it's a complete meal. So khichdi and soup, definitely this combination is, I love it and it's very good.
I think the current trend of millet khichdi, if
Yes.
I mean that's actually a very easy and very tasty also, and something different. Because
Different, yes.
खिचड़ी क्या?
खिचड़ी क्या खाना?
If you add कि अरे आज
Millets khichdi बनाए, yes, definitely. Millets are very good, but only one thing with the millet, you have to soak before cooking. So then उतना time आपको prepared होना चाहिए. That was meal planning is very very important, comes in the picture. So pre-planning. आज millet खिचड़ी बनाना है तो उसको soak करके रखना है, and then you make a खिचड़ी.
I think regular habit should be that every day you soak
It's a meal planning, yes. Every day you soak one millets.
then everything will be
And second is meal planning is very very important. सोच के रखो फुल डे का, फुल वीक का कि क्या मेनू बनाएंगे हम लोग. हाँ वो होता नहीं है. I know.
is handy.
Handy. But that's the role of mother कि जो भी handy है उसको mix match करके हम लोग क्या complete meal बनाए.
Just to add to this, now my kid loves waffle.
Yes.
Now every time going out is not
Not
very
option.
good idea. But I have started making ragi waffle.
Ragi waffles.
And that is so tasty. You add obviously little bit Nutella
Yeah,
to
exactly.
that. But with lot of strawberries, lot of fruits and everything, banana
Chirella.
taste amazing. So I think those kind of options maybe.
So
we
it's
can
not
add.
like you maintain with the strict rule, but consistency, occasionally moderation is the key.
Yeah.
So rule बना के कुछ फायदा नहीं है. Rule तो break हो जाता है.
Yes. Something which is in between.
Yes, yes.
Rule भी हो जाए, nutrition भी आ जाए. and
At the same time, and kids also enjoy.
What happens when someone is sick at home?
Mama makes khichdi
Oh, yeah.
and she's like, eat it, you will feel better.
Yeah. Khichdi means which khichdi? The normal khichdi or with vegetables?
With vegetables.
Okay, that is a actually healthy option. Now, bachas, we are going to play a rapid fire round with you. Okay, so I'm going to ask you question one by one. You are going to answer. Right? Okay. Fruit bowl or chips packet, Ditya?
Fruit ball.
Okay. Okay. Now, milk or chocolate chips?
Both mix.
Both mix. Wow, nice
Hot
option
chocolate.
actually.
Hot chocolate.
She has innovation in each and everything. Running outside or gaming inside?
Running outside.
Okay. Carry tiffin or buy from canteen?
Carry tiffin.
Oh, good. Early sleep or late cartoons?
Early sleep.
Wash hands first or eat first?
Sometimes I do eat first, sometimes I do wash hands first.
For each question, you have innovative answer. Okay. Brush teeth or scroll phone?
Brush teeth.
Okay. Do you watch cartoons, Ditya?
No.
Okay. Do you watch reels?
Yes.
Okay. Plain water bottle or colorful soft drink?
Plain water bottle.
Nah. Really? Okay.
When I'm traveling, I drink soft drinks.
Okay. Good. Nice. Home snack or bakery products?
Bakery products.
You don't like home snack?
I love
Then?
both mix.
Okay. Good. Playing with friends or watching reels? What do you like the most?
Playing with friends because I go down and play badminton.
Oh wow, you like badminton. Yeah, good. Now questions are for the mothers. Ma'am, Rashmi ma'am, now this question is for you. Fruits after meal or dessert after meal?
Generally fruits before meal.
Okay.
Dessert not necessary.
Yeah, okay. Family dinner or separate screen, ma'am?
Definitely family dinner, but without screen.
Okay. Walking together or sitting together?
Oh, I wish walking together, but our times don't match. So,
Okay.
yes, sitting together.
Yeah.
But we walk separately.
Okay.
At least we do.
But
we do
walking
our-
is
That
most
is the
important.
honest
Yeah,
answer
we
actually.
do our
साथ में जाओ अलग से, but walking is more
yeah,
important.
17,000 steps at
Yes.
least.
Quick, cooking at home or ordering something?
Both.
Yeah.
I mean,
It depends on the time.
Depends on the time also, and sometimes in the weekends also, the kids are there.
Yeah.
So it's the both.
Okay.
But more of the cooking at home, and then occasionally it's from Zomato, Swiggy, or outside eating.
Okay. Sleep routine, ma'am, or whenever time mile? Do you follow sleep
That
routine?
is one thing which I'm very bad at managing.
Okay.
I hardly sleep. Hardly sleep in the sense there is no schedule. Being an architect, I'm a creative person. I need my own space. That happens only after everyone goes to sleep. So my work starts at 11 o'clock, 11:30,
Oh.
and then that continues till late. So that is one habit maybe I would like to change, or yeah.
True.
Okay. Yeah.
Because see what happens, all the hormonal changes, hormonal growth, everything comes in the night around 12 to 3 p.m. or 2 p.m.
Yeah.
So that sleep is very, very important.
Oh.
Yeah.
So actually you need by 10:30, but it's very difficult in Bombay's life for
For us,
you have to
yes,
bed
ma'am.
for 10 o'clock. It's very difficult. So but it is try to sleep by 11 o'clock, because 11 to 3 sleep is very much important.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah,
It's just
everybody
that
knows.
little
It's just
difficult
that
to
I know,
follow.
difficult to follow. I know.
Okay. Healthy snacks stocked or junk stocked?
Definitely, if you ask dietitian,
You
then
always say yes, healthy snacks. Yeah,
the
yeah.
healthy snack.
Actually, I picked wrong person. I could have asked the question to Rashmi ma'am. Yeah.
But even I'll tell you, even in my case, as I said, being on site or anything, I have to have junk food stacked.
Yes.
But then I try to incorporate healthy,
The healthy options.
accompaniments with it. For
Accompaniments.
example, if I have nachos with it, nachos at home, then I will have homemade salsa, which will have all the vegetables in it.
Yes,
Then
yes.
I'll make sour cream out of dahi hang
Dahi
curd.
hang.
So those kind of things I try to incorporate.
As a mother, all the mothers will look, they will see some good nutrition to, they want to give some good nutrition to their child.
Yes.
So it's just possibility at that time.
Yeah.
That is very important.
जितना
So,
हो
जितना
सके
हो
उतना
सके जहाँ पे
we
वो लोग
try.
हो सकता है उतना वो करते हैं.
Right.
So, all are working. So किसी के पास भी इतना टाइम नहीं है कि एवरी टाइम हम लोग सब कुछ अच्छा ही दे.
Yes. Even
बट उसमें से ही अच्छा कैसे दे, दैट इज द क्या बोलते हैं वो, इट्स मदर्स हैंड में है वो मैजिक.
Yeah.
Definitely.
सो कैसे खिलाना है वेजिटेबल्स, फादर को नहीं पता रहता है,
Yeah.
बट मदर को पता रहता है.
वही है, मतलब अभी I'll tell you very simple small things. My kids have always had broccolis or anything. Always. That comes by default. So they don't feel anything different in it. However, if you see, people will remove olives, they will remove
The tomatoes,
broccolis,
the
remove everything
corn.
from the pizza.
Yes.
Then you are eating only maida.
Maida, right?
But our pizzas are always loaded with veggies.
Yeah.
So
So
it's
then I
okay,
think that
it's a
is okay.
Bread. But
Yes.
other aspect of the good nutrition, vegetable is there, everything is there.
Yes. Yes.
So it's a protein, cheese, everything is there.
Yeah.
So that's okay.
Yes.
So many times in my clinic also, in the hospital, we get so many patients with childhood obesity.
Yeah.
Okay?
Nowadays, the prevalence has increased actually.
Yes.
The obesity.
And when
yeah.
we ask the child, initially I was like, first thing to child, कि आप क्या खाते हो, मोबाइल कितना देखते हो, मम्मा देखती है 12 बजे तक,
Oh, yes.
घर पे ही इतना तेल रहता है भाजी में, तो हम लोग बच्चे को कैसे बोलेंगे कि रिड्यूस करो,
Yeah.
Right.
right? So
Yes.
the full family needs to be changed.
Right.
Then only the habits, kids' habit will change.
Yes.
I think it starts from mother.
It starts from the family, equal the contribution from the mother and the father, and equal contribution from our grandparents.
Yes. Weekend outdoor plan or mall food court?
Definitely outdoor, and then in between that outdoor activity, the food mall.
Okay, yeah. Ma'am, eating mindfully or eating while walking only?
Most of the times, in my case, it will be eating while working. Because कुछ ना कुछ तो मोबाइल पे चेक करना है. All my work happens on mobile.
Okay.
However, I make it a point that whenever I have time or whatever, I do eat mindfully. At least my meal is planned mindfully.
Okay, good.
For me, my breakfast is mindful eating and dinner, but lunch is always on the phone.
What would you pick up first? A water bottle nearby or a coffee cup?
None actually. I am not a coffee drinker. I have
Okay,
not
so chai
tasted-
lover?
No chai, coffee.
Okay.
But water is intake is very less in my case.
So what is the alternative for that? Means what if you are not taking
No, I'm
water?
suffering because either I am not using it. So I do have dryness and everything.
Yeah. So Zankana ma'am, actually you can, give us some suggestion on this.
For the water, definitely my intake is not very high, but around 2 liters per day, 2.5 liters per day. But we want to increase. I mean, definitely tea and coffee will lead to dehydration, more dehydrations. So 2 cups in a day is okay. If you are okay with tea and coffee, with water you can keep a reminder in the mobile nowadays. So this,
I
so
think
small one cup.
हाँ.
It's not like कि बॉटल पूरा खत्म करो एक ही टाइम पे, बट देन आपके रिमाइंडर डालो 1 hour हो गया, then it reminds to take a 1 glass of water, 1 cup of water.
I think there are some water retaining. Chia seeds is water retaining, if I'm not mistaken.
नहीं, chia seeds water retain नहीं करता है. Okay.
So is there anything which we can
Retain
use
the
as a
water.
retain-
Salt is water retaining, but it affects
Yeah.
it creates obesity, edema, everything. So that's not a good option.
Okay.
Okay, but yeah, definitely when you have a dehydrated, first thing you take a limbu pani with the salt.
Yeah.
For the kids also loose motion हो रहा है तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Take ORS with the salt, right? But then retaining as such कुछ नहीं है, seasonal है, water जाएगा. Only thing is to drink the water. Any form.
We'll try to.
Any form. It's limbu pani, buttermilk, or just plain water. Or you add water with chia seeds.
Zankana ma'am, actually, I mean, I have a question, sorry to interrupt, but being a mother of a growing child, I would like to know a little bit more about the early period, the reasons behind it, and how can we be actually prepared for it. Because,
Yeah.
see, I mean, earlier at least we used to tell kids when they were little grown up. Now
12,
these kids
13
don't even
years.
understand.
Understand.
So we don't even know what to tell them and how to be prepared.
Yes. So that's a very good question. It's a need of the hour. So earlier the periods का जो age group था, it's like 12, 13 years, 14 years. Nowadays we are seeing like with the 9.5 years, 8 years also. So sometimes it's a medical problem also. It is called the precocious puberty. So early puberty. It's because of the hormonal changes. And some
Scary.
it's scary means once you get the periods, no, your epiphysis will join. Then the height is a problem. Height grow नहीं होता है बच्चे. So doctors give some medication to stop the periods, and they achieve their heights, and then we'll stop the medication, and they will get their periods. Okay. And sometimes, I mean, many times it's because of the wrong lifestyle, the food habits, nowadays more of junk foods, no physical activity at all. And other reason is too much of use of cosmetic. आजकल छोटे बच्चे देखते रहेंगे, बच्चे बहुत सारा कॉस्मेटिक यूज कर रहे हैं. The second most important reason is the plastic. The plastic tiffins, plastic bottles, everywhere they use the plastic. So उसमें से भी जो केमिकल्स जाते हैं उसके वजह से भी होता है. सो मोर ऑफ इट्स अ लाइफस्टाइल, नो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, द मोर ऑफ जंक फूड्स, द कॉस्मेटिक्स, द प्लास्टिक यूज. इट इज कॉल्ड एंडोक्राइन डिसरप्टर. So because of that, the puberty age is like decreased 9.5 years. Okay, so definitely with the good
We have
nutrition.
to be prepared anyways.
Yes, with the good nutrition and the physical activity. So बच्चों लोग को homework, tuitions उसमें से बाहर निकालो, थोड़ा फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करने दो. एंड डेफिनेटली देयर आर सो मेनी स्टडीज, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी से माइंड बहुत शार्प रहता है, शार्प बनता है. यू हैव सीन मेनी किड्स जो ओबेसिटी है, जिनको कितने लिथार्जी रहते हैं, बेड पर से उठते ही नहीं है.
And
सो वंस दे स्टार्टेड फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, हैव न्यूट्रिशन, डेफिनेटली पढ़ाई में भी अच्छे हो जाएंगे वो लोग.
Thank you very much, Zankana ma'am and Rashmi ma'am. That was a really nice session from you, both of you. The experiences you shared, that was really helpful for us. And from this session, we actually learned that children don't grow listening the advices. They grow by looking at our behaviors. Stay tuned and don't forget to
like and subscribe.